One day, someone will ask you who you are. But before you grasp for the legacy you always reach for, let me show you a different story. A story in which there are sirens and debris and two of the most devastating wars the world has ever seen. But even through this, the tales that endure are of kindness and standing strong for your community. You see, the stories that I hold dearest come from my grandfathers who served in the Indian Army. They always told me that courage looked like the legendary Khudadat Khan, first Indian recipient of the Victoria Cross, and they instilled in me the knowledge that even through tragedy, some moments live on for eternity, like a father tenderly accepting his late son's medals in his memory, showing us the sacred bond that we call family. And maybe just like the stories my grandfathers gave to me, your lineage holds truths for you too. Perhaps you have someone like Dorothy who joined the Women's Army Auxiliary Corps, being just 15 years old, because she believed that a better world is possible and it is worth fighting for. The truth is, the exact measure of a person is who they are in times of turmoil, in times when they are needed to be the best of all of humanity. Like a 21-year-old barmaid recommended for the Civil Defense Gallantry Award for saving a man's life. And even in moments of immense pain, from great courage came great art, like soldiers writing poems from trenches. And during the Second World War, despite the Nazis trying to ban it, people danced the Lambeth Walk, showing us that heroism can take 1,000 different colorful forms. So when they ask you who you are, tell them that you are the result of kindness and rebellion. You come from poems written in trenches and dances that led revolutions, and from soldiers showing compassion to those they are meant to call enemies on Christmas Day. You come from the stories of everyday and not so everyday Britain. You are here because of someone's sacrifice, someone who believed enough and held on long enough for the hope of a peaceful new dawn. You are their dawn. So come with me and let's go find out who they were and discover who you are.